forged for environments too treacherous for traditional machines. The Lynx M20 fuses wheeled agility with legged precision to navigate where others fail. This next-generation mobile robot redefines terrestrial mobility, bridging the gap between speed and dexterity. On smooth surfaces, it glides on wheels at speeds up to 11.2 miles per hour. When terrain turns hostile, rubble, stairs, wetland, or steep slopes, the M20 locks its wheels and switches to a walking gait. Built to sharpen your multitasking game, the Quumsy KX offers a 15.6-inch portable monitor with touchscreen capabilities and a crisp 1080p resolution. Designed for seamless plug-and-play with laptops and PCs, this screen extender delivers high performance without complicated setup. The 10-point touch feature ensures precise control, whether you're sketching designs, editing documents, or managing multiple tasks at once. Slip into a new era of control with Tap XR, designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. The package includes 2 adjustable bands, a large spring blue band for wrists over 6.25 inches and a small starlight band for wrists under 6.25 inches in circumference. Setting up takes just minutes with the exclusive mobile apps, allowing you to master tapping techniques anytime, anywhere. Tap XR delivers 2 powerful modes, a fully functional keyboard and an intuitive air mouse. The EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. The Charge Card by Aquavolt is a revolutionary portable charger that delivers power when you need it most, all while being small enough to fit in your wallet. Measuring just 3.3 by 2.3 by 0.18 inches and weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's the perfect on-the-go solution for keeping your devices powered. With built-in interchangeable charging cables, it's compatible with all major phones, including Apple and Android devices. The JetBot Combo AI stands at the forefront of robotic cleaning innovation, blending advanced technology and user-friendly features to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. With its AI object recognition and 3D obstacle avoidance sensor, the JetBot Combo AI effectively identifies obstacles, ensuring it navigates around furniture, walls, and other objects with precision. This allows the robot to deep clean without damaging your surroundings. A leap forward in laser measurement tools, the MCube modular system blends precision with adaptability, built for serious users in construction, architecture, and interior design. Unlike fixed-function devices, this system is centered around the 00 MCube main unit, delivering fast laser feedback with a 164-foot range and pinpoint plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy. The Chargeek Retro 67 watts blends classic design with modern technology, offering a stylish yet powerful charging solution. With a maximum output of 67 watts, it ensures quick charging for a variety of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets. The real-time power display provides users with an immediate and accurate visual of the current power usage, making it easier to manage charging tasks efficiently. Carrying just what you need has never been this effortless. The Hyoto MagSafe swappable wallet redefines everyday convenience with its mindfully slim, precision-crafted form. Designed with sustainability at its core, this wallet ensures your essentials are always secure without unnecessary bulk. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, the Hyoto Wallet connects seamlessly to your iPhone, offering a flawless snap every time. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. Boldly reimagining the golden age of hi-fi with the precision of modern audio engineering, the Luna audio system commands attention from any room it graces. Its 16-bit VFD display glows with retro elegance, casting a soft vintage light while delivering real-time audio data and signal clarity. But beneath the classic aesthetics lies cutting-edge performance. Tucked within its sleek frame is a powerful 4,900 mAh battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous playback. In a world where hygiene meets smart design, the Rev Squared Mini hand dryer sets a new standard for compact power and aesthetic appeal. Engineered for both residential and commercial spaces, this streamlined device blends function and form, crafted from ABS polycarbonate to deliver durability with a polished finish. Whether outfitting a busy office or elevating a home bathroom, the Rev Squared HD 350 offers high-end efficiency without the high-end price tag. Wrapped in intelligent warmth engineered for the future, this advanced heated blanket redefines comfort using cutting-edge carbon nanotube technology. Built with Appaloo's Flex HT innovation, it delivers 1-minute rapid heating that distributes far-infrared warmth evenly across its surface. This isn't just fast, it's smart. The low and safe voltage system minimizes risk while maximizing thermal performance, drawing 60% less energy than traditional electric blankets. When desk clutter drains your focus and cables tangle your routine, there's finally a smarter solution that powers through the chaos. Meet the charging mat that transforms your workspace into a wireless command center. Engineered with a large charging area, this mat utilizes high-frequency electromagnetic resonance charging technology to deliver fast, efficient power across multiple devices. Whether you're topping off your phone, earbuds, or smartwatch, its Qi charging capability ensures seamless compatibility with today's most popular wireless devices. Not every grinder fits a fast-paced, space-conscious lifestyle, but this one does. The XY Bottle electric coffee grinder redefines portability with a form factor that echoes elegance and utility. Standing 10.8 inches tall and only 2.7 inches in diameter, it's shaped like a slim wine bottle, effortlessly fitting into travel kits, kitchen drawers, or countertop corners. But its compact silhouette isn't just for looks. Equipped with a 200-watt high-torque motor, this grinder transforms whole beans into aromatic grounds in a matter of seconds. Built for those who demand more than just head protection, this next-generation helmet redefines what it means to ride smart. With cutting-edge tech woven into its carbon fiber shell, it delivers uncompromising strength and seamless connectivity. Whether carving back roads or commuting downtown, this helmet becomes your command center. It features a Bluetooth intercom for rider-to-rider communication within a limited range and a walkie-talkie via app that works across any distance with cellular connection. The Spire Studio 2nd generation offers impressive advancements for music creators seeking reliable and high-quality recording capabilities. With an extended 8+ hours of recording time, this device ensures you have the flexibility to capture long sessions without interruptions. It boasts enhanced battery performance, allowing for sustained use during your creative processes. Equipped with upgraded preamps, the Spire Studio delivers clearer sound with better interference rejection, enabling higher volume levels and reduced distortion for a more professional output. The Vesta candle. Warmer lamp is designed to infuse your living space with the perfect balance of fragrance and elegance. With its sleek, modern appearance, it provides an effortless way to enjoy your favorite scents without the need for an open flame. This candle warmer utilizes gentle heat to melt the wax evenly, releasing a rich, aromatic atmosphere that enhances any room. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. The MindLax sleeping mat offers a groundbreaking approach to rest and relaxation, integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. Its innovative sound wave massage system, grounded in Nobel Prize-winning research, delivers soothing vibrations that help reduce stress and promote deep, restorative sleep. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, improve your meditation practice, or simply take a quick nap, this mat provides a calming environment tailored to your needs. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gaussy Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. Crafted with precision, the HoverPen 3.0 is a revolutionary writing instrument that blends luxury with modern functionality. Standing as a symbol of cutting-edge design, it combines the classic art of fountain pens with a futuristic, free-flowing experience. Perfectly balanced in midair by a powerful magnetic ring, this pen turns your desk into a gallery of modern art, where form meets function in an extraordinary way. Modular by design, the HoverPen offers a seamless experience with interchangeable fountain and rollerball nibs, making it adaptable for any writing preference. No more bulky pockets or disorganized essentials. This refined system redefines what an everyday carry card holder should be. Crafted for precision and built with function in mind, the VMag modular combination card holder system gives you control over how you carry, access, and use your daily tools. Whether you're navigating a busy workday or heading out for a weekend mission, this card holder adapts to your pace and needs. Precision and adaptability define the Thor TEC 36 Lightning Boil Burner Cooktop. Built for culinary enthusiasts who demand both speed and finesse, this 36-inch electric cooktop offers advanced features that push everyday cooking into a more professional league. At its heart is the Lightning Boil Center Burner, engineered with 3 concentric rings that adapt to your needs. Gently melt chocolate using just the 6-inch ring or activate all rings to produce rapid heat for boiling water in under a minute. When your game demands precision and clarity under pressure, you need a tool that won't distract, just perform. This GPS golf watch delivers just that. Built into a new round watch profile, its high-resolution display remains clear even in harsh sunlight, providing essential data at a glance without breaking your rhythm. With over 42,000 courses preloaded from around the globe, it automatically knows where you are and what you need. Yardages to the front, back, and center of the green, plus distances to hazards and doglegs. Stay focused with Bluetooth connectivity that syncs seamlessly with the Garmin Golf app. The Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro 5G is designed for professionals who demand durability and high performance. Built to withstand tough conditions, it passes MIL STD 810H testing and a 1.5-meter drop test, with an IP68 rating ensuring it's resistant to dust, dirt, sand, and water. Whether in extreme environments or everyday use, the XCover 6 Pro keeps working. Elevate your game time with a handheld engineered for versatility and performance. The Abbex Elute 1 Pro blends portability with power, offering smooth access to retro titles, remote play from your console, and seamless cloud-based gaming, all in one device. Whether you're revisiting 16-bit classics or streaming the latest AAA releases, this unit delivers consistent results through its responsive controls and stable connection. The 7-inch Full HD screen delivers vibrant visuals with crisp clarity. Sturdy and compact, this pocket shooter punches well above its weight when it comes to clarity and control. Armed with a crisp 50-megapixel lens, it delivers sharp photos and clear video, performing confidently in both daylight and soft indoor lighting. The second camera brings up to 15 times digital zoom into the mix, letting you capture distant subjects with surprising detail. It's not just about image quality, this device is intuitive. Swipe through a streamlined interface or use its clever gesture controls for effortless snapping. Precision meets silence in this cordless powerhouse engineered for serious yard work. Featuring a carbon fiber straight shaft, this trimmer is built to withstand years of heavy-duty trimming while staying lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable cutting width ranges from 15 inches to 17 inches, allowing for precision around garden edges or broad strokes along fences and driveways. Designed to perform in unforgiving environments, the Dell Latitude 7230 rugged tablet is engineered for professionals who demand reliability without compromise. This 12-inch tablet is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240U V-Pro processor, delivering responsive multitasking and efficient power use. Running Windows 11 Pro, it offers enterprise-grade security and performance, while the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics support smooth visuals and clear imaging for fieldworker diagnostics. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Mini Proka condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32 GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. A collector's display deserves more than just shelves. It needs precision, power, and purpose. The Top QM modular LED miniature storage delivers just that, with two smartly sized configurations engineered for custom stacking and flawless illumination. Each unit is constructed using high-grade injection-molded ABS, delivering automobile-level toughness without any off-putting odor. Its modular design ensures seamless expansion, allowing collectors to build vertically and securely with up to 22 adjustable height layers.